All right, what's going on, everybody? I hope that you guys enjoy what I have in store for you today. It's going to be a little different. Today, even though it's like 25 degrees where we're headed, 25 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 3.9 degrees Celsius, for those of you that need that, we're going to go finally see some waterfalls instead of, just being here working or running errands and doing chores. So we're actually going to go out and have some fun today, and I'm really excited about that. We're going to be headed up to the mountains in Tennessee above Chattanooga. There's a lot of really amazing waterfalls in Tennessee, and if you haven't checked them out, you really should, because there's a lot of really cool waterfalls up there. And so we're going to don the warmest gear we can and get out there and hopefully have a really good time seeing waterfalls and exploring and seeing what else we'll see. All right, come on, let's go. All right, the place we're going to today, I'm really excited about. I haven't been to in, several years now. But I really like it because the few times I've been, it's really quiet. There's not a lot of people there, which is rare around here now. Oftentimes there's lines to get into all these cool, wild, natural areas. And this place isn't like that yet. And there's just a lot of really awesome scenes and waterfalls and stuff along a fairly short trail. So it's a nice, easy hike, and it's a really easy thing to do and a lot of fun to have. And I'm hoping that even though it's cold, we'll have a good time. And I hope that you guys will all have a good time too, since I'm bringing you along. But let's go do it, shall we? here we go. I don't know if you guys have ever been to waterfalls in Tennessee, but you definitely should, because they are really, truly incredible. I mean, just look at that. All right, after we go hiking, if we're anywhere near Chattanooga, we always like to go to this awesome burger restaurant that we found called Urban Stack. We just pulled up, so let's go inside. Another successful dinner. It's absolutely fantastic. was a great trip. I mean, yeah, it was cold and icy, but wow, what an excellent trip. It felt so good to get out of the house and do something besides going to get groceries with Heather and just, you know, having some fun. Like, that was such a nice change of pace from all the work and errands that we've been doing lately. And I really enjoyed it. I mean, seriously, it's just so good to get out and enjoy really nice waterfalls like that. Like, we don't get to do that very much anymore, and I'm so thankful to have been able to do it today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this trip. I know it's different from a lot of what I've been doing lately, but I really wanted to bring you all on this adventure with me and Heather, and I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we did. I hope to see you out there. Bye.